The Courtyard Residence presents itself with quiet dignity. From the street, it's an understated composition, a series of implied volumes that pique curiosity rather than overwhelm. This is a home that invites exploration, a promise of hidden wonders veiled behind a facade of sophisticated restraint. What the street view conceals, the interior reveals with poetic flourish. Stepping inside, we're met with a symphony of warmth. Natural materials embrace us, rich wood tones, the cool touch of steel, and the muted elegance of concrete. The low-rise form belies a masterful play of space. Walls fold and retract like a concertina, creating a dynamic connection between interior and exterior. Here, the Mediterranean spirit reigns supreme. The central courtyard, a timeless concept, becomes the heart of the home. This is a space of contrasts. The stillness of the reflecting pool is juxtaposed by the raw energy of the concrete, its surface both smooth and textured. Yet, there's a sense of harmony. The muted surfaces celebrate a sophisticated simplicity that dances with the ever-changing play of light and shadow. The material palette is a study in restraint. Timber, meticulously chosen, contributes warmth and character. Fine steel windows frame the views, adding a touch of elegance and allowing natural light to flood the space. Despite its impressive scale, the Courtyard Residence avoids feeling cavernous. The spaces are beautifully proportioned, each distinct yet seamlessly connected to the central courtyard. Sliding glass walls act as conductors, opening the home to the embrace of the pool and sunlight when desired. The house adapts to its inhabitants' needs. When the weather demands, the ability to close down the space ensures optimal thermal performance. Overhangs and strategically placed concrete walls provide shade and shelter, ensuring year-round comfort. The design vocabulary of the Courtyard Residence is one of continuity. The burnished, creamy concrete finish, a signature element, flows seamlessly from the exterior walls to the interior, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Its sculptural form takes on an almost luminous quality in certain lighting conditions. The principal living spaces all take advantage of the central courtyard, offering a sense of connection regardless of whether they are fully open or remain discrete areas. The Courtyard Residence offers a haven of serenity, a space designed for family life in all its forms. There's room for quiet contemplation and moments of exuberant play, a space that adapts to its inhabitants' needs and moods.